goes. Whoa! Whoa! She's going so fast! What's up, my fellow athletics? I got this fixed. I went to the stunt lot. Everything on the bike came loose. All the bolts backed out. Apparently slamming your front tire down while you're doing wheelies is not good. I was practicing my foot brakes. I was talking to one of the guys there. Super sick dude. Super cool guy. Well, a couple of cool guys actually. But they were helping me out with my wheelies a little bit. He was telling me that one of the things that I need to work on first is making sure that I lock in my mind that I'm using my foot brake. And I think that he's right. Because if I go too far, I don't know that my first natural instinct is going to be to hit my foot brake, because I'm a noob. I'll be the first to admit it. We're about to hit up a meet. I haven't been to a tee time in a long time. And it looks like we might get a little bit of rain. We'll see. 2 Cybertrucks side by side. Oh! Do it again! Alright, fellas. I got a serious question. Ladies, you can chime out of this for a second. Just talking to you guys. Oh, motorcycle. So listen, man. I got this problem where this tank, the way that it's shaped, it's almost like an arrow that drives right into your crotch. And for the fellas, I don't know about you guys, but I don't find it to be very comfortable. And I know that there's got to be other people out there that are dealing with the same issue, and I know that there's got to be some kind of a solution. So if anybody out there has a solution, dude, I would be forever grateful, because I can't find anything online. I feel like this is probably the best way, is just to ask you guys. But I can't stand it, dude. It's so uncomfortable. And sometimes it's fine, but then there's other times where, like, my prized possessions will end up oriented in a way that makes it very uncomfortable, and I just don't know exactly how to adjust or fix that. And so here I am, just struggling. Now on the ZX4R, no problems. It was good all the time. The way that the tank was shaped, it was great. No issues. Ninja 500, perfect, no problems. ZX6R, trash. I don't like the tank on this thing, I really don't. Now I know that some of you guys are probably going to say, just get a new tank. Get a stunt tank or something. Do you know how much money that costs? I don't really want to do that right now. I just bought the stunt cage. I'm about to buy a rear subframe with man, what do you call them? Pegs, with rear pegs. Because your boy is trying to learn how to do some cool stuff on the bike. And I know for sure I'm going to drop this thing. I'm going to loop it a couple times. I mean, it's just part of the game. I'm not an expert, but I want to be. So, I want to protect my bike also. Because she's pretty. We like her. That girl can shift a bike. I'm going to show you guys what this quick shifter can do. It's dirty work, dude. Okay, ready? I don't like riding with my visor up, because there was a time where I was riding. I was only going like 15 miles an hour, but there was like a dragonfly or something, dude. Boom, right in my eyeball. My visor was up. That guy literally just licked his finger, and then he smoothed over his eyebrows. Biker Riz, am I right? Ooh, so fast. Oh! Fast Tesla. Slow ass car. Oh my god. We got the whole gang out here. Glad to see these kiddos wearing their helmets. Did his bike just shoot flames? I'm gonna let her set the pace. She's on the 400. What kind of guy would I be if I took off and I left her behind? I think the #1 question that I get is, what's a good beginner bike? And listen, man, I don't know much about much. I'm kind of the R word when it comes to that kind of stuff. But listen, all I know, the Ninja 500, awesome bike. I have just as much fun riding her bike as I have riding this one. The only reason I got this one is because it's better for stunting, but to be honest with you, like slower speeds in a parking lot kind of thing, that bike right there, dude, awesome. Riding around on a daily basis, like cruising, that bike's probably better than this one, to be completely fair. It's way more torquey, way more comfortable. The only downside is going on the highway. That thing is kind of, it's hard to get up to speed. It's hard to maintain speed on that bike. And it's a lot lighter, which is a positive in most aspects. But when it comes to riding on the freeway, the wind does blow you around a little bit more. But to be honest with you, dude, like the trade-offs for wanting like a beginner bike, that's it right there. That's your beginner bike. I've also heard a lot of really good things about the R7 or the R3. Either one of those two are usually pretty good. From what I hear, I've never ridden either one. I've sat on both. The R3 is super comfortable. The R7 is slightly less comfortable, but it's probably still got a manageable amount of power for somebody starting. Might even be safer to have the extra little bit of power, to be completely honest with you. Just because you can like get up to speed, you can get out of people's way a little bit easier on the R7 than you can the R3, and it's not like crazy torque that's gonna murder you. You know what I mean? That didn't sound too good for my trans. Whoa! Baby, is he okay?
Huh?
Is he okay?
I don't think so.
Where you going?
I'm gonna do some circle wheelies right here. Take a video for me. Just kidding, I can't.
Oh.
I appreciate the confidence though.
Oh yeah.
We'll just pretend. You ready? Oh! My jeans got stuck. Oh, I bent it.
Oh shit.
Holy shit, those are strong. Well, goddamn.
Oh my god, that sounded scary. You're doing
That'll do it.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Oh my god. You just turned a $40, like not even a 40.
Well, that sucks. What does this even do?
I don't even know, to be honest. I mean, maybe like a guard.
This whole thing's falling apart, dude. I'm telling you. This fell off yesterday. My license plate's falling off. Fucking a bolt fell off down here. Like, this whole thing's a piece of shit.
How did that even happen?
I don't know. It broke. Oh. Where the hell did my girlfriend go? I found my girlfriend. She's right here. Hey, that's my friend's new tattoo shop over there. So we were at tea time. Not much happening. Only saw a couple of people I knew, so yeah, we dipped out of there after having us a little bit of tea. And now we're going to like some bar or something. I don't know. My homeboy told us to, and I quote, pull up. Bro, holy fuck. Alright guys, we just left, whatever you want to call it. And listen man, I wanted to just like break down and recap what happened and why that person crashed. Because that was a little intense, dude. He about ran us over. So, my girlfriend, she got over, and then I see this guy, and he's coming up probably doing about double the speed limit. Which, don't get me wrong, I like to go fast too, I get it, but not right there. That's not the spot, especially when you got somebody on a motorcycle that just changed lanes in front of you and they are doing the speed limit. I see this man very quickly approaching the rear end of my girlfriend, so I get over, probably a stupid idea, honestly looking back on it, but I get over to try and, I guess, protect her. I don't know. I was like, I'd rather him rear end me than her, and maybe he'll stop and he won't rear end her if he hits me first. Holy fuck. Alright, I forget what we were. I think I have an idea. So basically, I get over to try and protect her because I'm afraid, like, okay, this dude's gonna rear end her, and obviously I can't protect her, but maybe what will happen is he'll hit me instead and then he'll stop and she'll be safe. And that's kind of what my mindset was. So I got over and I sped up a little bit, but mostly I didn't want to get too close to her. I was trying to get the man to slow down. And he slowed down. And he went over the median. And I'm pretty sure that he probably got a little bit of damage to his truck, but I mean, that's what you get when you're speeding. You probably shouldn't do that. I mean, play stupid games, win stupid prizes, right? I don't know, man. I think that his driving was extremely irresponsible. I think the fact that he left us alone after he pulled that stunt was good. I mean, he just slowed down. He started going the speed limit. I honestly think it was a genuine accident. I think he was just going too fast. I don't think he was intentionally trying to hurt anybody or be a dick. I think he was just going too fast when he shouldn't have been, and I think that he paid the price for it. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, man, like the video. If you didn't like the video, don't like it. That was crazy. That was some crazy nonsense we got into tonight. That didn't make any sense. I broke my freaking thing. Almost got hit by a car. Man, what a night. Peace.